Also, we go over to our next company, Zhongshan Alltop Lighting Corporation. Hello, welcome. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, can you open your camera?
Yes, let me try. Just a moment.
Okay. Just now we have here a view of street lights. Now, Zhongshan Alltop Lighting is also making the street light, so we can see how it works. Hello, is it okay
Hello?
now?
Can you hear me?
Can you hear?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I cannot see you.
Oh, turn the camera not open.
Just a moment. Let's open the camera.
Okay. Yes, as we know, Zhongshan is have
Can you see?
many
Can you see now?
great lighting company. Hello,
Yes,
hello.
so-
Yes, good afternoon. So we can see you now.
Yeah, good.
Yes. I am Casey. For our lighting. So may I have your name, please?
This is Bruce.
Yeah, this is Lydia.
Sorry, Lydia.
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 is Bruce. Yes, Lydia and Bruce.
Hello.
Oh, hello, Lydia. How about yes. So now we have 15 minutes to take a view of your company and your products. So could you give us a detailed introduction of your company?
Okay. Yes. We are manufacture special light in solar lights, solar systems, so indoor lighting and outdoor lighting. Just like solar street light, solar garden light, solar world light.
So okay.
And we have many workshops, many production workshops, just like the industrial workshops, warehouse workshops, and battery workshops, and solar panel workshops, and so on. All the materials are produced by ourselves.
So you produce the solar and the Lightstrade and the street light and by yourself?
Yes. And also LED lighting, indoor lighting and outdoor lighting.
Indoor and outdoor, right?
Yes.
How about the port? Do you produce the port by yourself? Do you produce the port by yourself, or you only produce the street light and the solar?
Also produce the poles by ourselves because we have the hardware workshop.
Okay. Please show your products to us.
Okay.
Okay. Let us show our products for you.
Yeah.
Because we are major in solar street lights,
Yeah.
so we have installed some solar street lights in our showroom today.
Yeah.
This is the all-in-one design.
Yeah.
All-in-one solar street light.
How many watts of this light?
For this light, it is 180 watts. But for this series, we have 40 watts, 60 watts, 100 watts, 150 watts, 180 watts, and 200 watts.
Yes.
So
And it is our design.
Okay, it can be customized, right?
Yes.
Yes. Customized is acceptable.
Okay.
Let me show you of this light. We have a very big battery.
Oh, that is the battery of the solar.
It is built inside, and it is easy to check the battery and maintain. Easy for maintenance.
Yeah, easy for maintenance. So
Yes.
how long can it work? How long can it work?
You mean
The battery?
for fully charging? After one fully charging?
Yes.
For one fully charging, it can watch 12 hours per night, 2
Oh,
to 3 working days.
yeah, that's great.
Yes, it is a very, very good design, good for government project.
Okay. So any other products?
Yes, we also have the other product. Let us show you the small designs. Some small designs, which it is very good for wholesale.
Yeah, the wholesale model.
Wholesale model.
Oh,
Garden light.
okay.
Garden light.
LED garden light. This
Garden
also
light.
our, yes, garden light. This is also our Unicode product and our new design. Very modern design. For this lamp, we have 2 powers, 6 watts and 8 watts. And this lamp have 2 functions.
The function?
Lamp.
Can you
Yes,
show us?
yes, let us show you. One, it is the wall lamp for wall lamp functions. Just a moment, let me, because it is the solar light, we have lighting sensor on the solar panels. And when we cover the solar panels, if the solar panel feeling the dark coming, it will open automatically. And when the day coming, it will close the lamp automatically. Now, just now, the lamp it is entered in the PIR sensor mode.
Yeah, with the sensor.
So
Here
that
have
is smart lighting.
PIR sensor, 2 working modes. One is constantly working mode, and the other it is PIR working mode. When the lamp it is on PIR sensor working mode, if no movement, it is 30% brightness. If it is 100% brightness, so it is good for energy saving.
Okay, yes, it's very energy saving.
And here, let me show you the 2 functions. Here you can see that this is the word lamp function, and in the inside we also have LED switch, which it is the what's your light functions.
Yes. Yeah, that's very interesting. It's intelligent, right?
Yeah, so you on the wall.
On the wall, you can see clearly for the
Oh,
it is very, very beautiful design.
yeah, very beautiful. Yeah. Can we buy it in domestic in China? Can we buy it?
Sorry?
Can we buy the product in China?
Yes.
So
Of course.
You sell the product both in domestic and the export, right?
Yes. We sell the product all over the world.
Okay, go ahead, please. Go ahead, introduce your product.
Let's show you also our Unicode design, solar garden light.
Oh, it's also garden light. Another model.
Yes, because these products are our new productions, new products. So we would like to share with our clients on this online show. Just a moment, because this one is adjustable angle.
Okay, take your time.
Yes. We need to face it to our client. This garden light, it is a very beautiful design. You can see just like a flower.
It's special, yeah.
Yes, very special. And it is easy to install. Here it is solar panel, and the battery also inside.
Is it all of your product could be powered by the solar, right?
Yes, all of our products, solar lights are, all of our products can power by solar.
Okay.
Also build a battery inside. I need to cover the solar panel so that
That's true. It's energy saving. Yeah.
yes, because when I cover the solar panel, it will lighting up. Because that is coming. If I cover the solar panel, the light will lighting. And this lamp, you can choose 3 LED colors. This it is the RGB.
RGB can
And
so it can be changed the color.
yes, it can be changed color. This is RGB. RGB, it means 7 colors. And we also could check. You also can select the LED in white color and yellow color.
White and yellow. Two
Yes.
color.
Sorry.
So we can change the color to yellow and white, right? It's 2 colors, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Need to telling us before taking order.
Yeah.
Yes. This also our new product.
So which country do you sell to?
Sorry.
Which country are
Hello?
you mainly sell the product to?
Which
Which
country?
country?
Well,
Yeah.
we sell all over the world. Our main market it is Africa, Southern America, North American,
North
Southeast, and Middle East.
Okay. So do you have the certification and do you have the export certification like UL, ETL, and C?
Yes, we have certification for CE, ROSE, and
Rose?
ISO 9001.
Okay.
Certificated and so on. We have some of our plants. We also have TUV certificated.
Oh, well, I see the product is very interesting. Have you tried so it in the e-commerce shopping channel? Like Amazon, Alibaba, and so on. Have you
Yes.
sold on that?
Yes, we also have the Alibaba stock.
Okay.
Would you like to see our to check our Alibaba stock?
Okay. So if our customer interested in your product, they can search your product in the Alibaba, right?
Yes, just
Okay.
we are the top one on Alibaba in the last 13 years.
Okay. How about your MOQ and the lead time?
You mean MOQ?
Yes.
For the all our product MOQ it is 100 pieces, but sample order also acceptable.
Okay. And how about the lead time? The delivery cycle?
Because we have all the materials produced by ourselves, so we can give you a very short lead time. But normally lead time it is 2 to 3 weeks. But if if there is a emergency orders, we can provide 1 week lead time.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Do you have anything want to share with us? Hi, Lydia. Hello.
Sorry. The next. No.
Yes. Hello, Lydia. Do you have anything,
Yes,
any
of
other
course.
thing want to share with us?
Yes. Did you see this lamp? Also the solar lamp. Our Unicode design and new design. Let me open it first. Just a moment.
Okay. Take your time.
Okay, open it. The button, it is inside the name. And this one, it is along with controller, remote controller.
Okay. So you are showing the effect of the product, right?
Yes. Let's show you the effect of our
Wow. We can
really
see the color.
Beautiful.
RGB. Very beautiful.
Yes, very
Why-
beautiful, very beautiful. Yeah, it's very interesting and beautiful. Okay, Lydia, due to the time limit, so we have the introduction, we have to come to an end. Hello, Lydia.
Yes.
So
Yes.
thank you very
Yeah.
much for your detailed introduction. Thank you. Thank you. Very professional and interesting product. Yes.
Yes.
So if anyone interested in the product, you can leave your contact information in the comment area. Then our customer will contact you or you can reply.
And here we also, yes, here is our contact number and WhatsApp.
Yes, but not very clear. You can leave the contact information in the comment
Okay,
area.
maybe we
Okay.
can.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Lydia. Thank you for your wonderful introduction. See you next time. Thank you.
Yes.
Bye-bye.